Oh, hi. I don't know if you ever played American Truck Simulator, but there's a mod, I think by Pro Mods, that lets you go into Canada. One of the places they let you go to is Canoe, and I plan on going there in real life. So I thought I would join you on this nice little adventure. We just unloaded some barley. Flip this around here. I could have put like 200 more, but it's pretty good. There's a big old semi-truck over there I'm waiting for. We just passed the place that builds all the beams for the bridges that are coming up just east of Golden. The Kicking Horse they're redoing. They're all made in this industrial park. On the highway. This highway can be pretty bad to get onto. To the left here, there's a corner, and to the right, there's a hill. So you can't see too far into the future. here. Will do, sir. Oh, there's a truck there anyways. All good. So we're at Canoe. We're going to check in at the office right there. Don't mind the big rock chip. We'll just pretend it doesn't exist. And then we go over there, get loaded, scale out, and then tie up the rest. And then we go to the tarping station. Oh my gosh. We ate some hot dogs and now we have some kimchi noodles. And I don't know if you can see, but we're getting loaded. We got the bellies on. Now we just need to get the top row on and we can skedaddle. Let's get some scale here. See where we're at. Oh, you're still going. Let's get some tarps on. So the tarping station is blocked, so we're using the chip side. Hopefully I don't fall off. Okay, so we'll wait for that guy. We'll do this first tarp here. I draped the front because we want to put that on last. But for the back side, I throw it over already because we want to fold around so the wind doesn't catch it. I have this one pulled forward just a little bit more because I have a rip in that corner actually, and I can't really patch it at the moment because when I took off the tarps it was pouring rain, so it's a little bit wet, so I have to wait until it dries before I can fix it up. Putting the extra slack, the cut is actually hidden behind that fold now. There you go, that's what tarping a block load looks like. It's supposed to be done on this one with the cable, because the cable will actually save you if you fall off. These rails are meant for chip trucks. If you're doing high loads like this and they want you to tarp it and they don't have a tarp station, tell them to kick rocks. This one's kind of on the edge, but there's always a risk of falling off, and you could break a bone falling off this. If you found this interesting, thank you. If you like it, I appreciate it. I hope you have a good day. If you're interested in more of these, maybe leave a comment and I'll do more trucking vlogs. We'll see. Have a good day.